Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mystic back with another banger video for you guys. I haven't been able to stream or record because I'm currently in a complicated living situation and I need to help my mom make money to afford a place to stay. So I'm gonna dish out a couple videos and pray that they go viral on the channel. So if it is possible, make sure to drop a like. That way YouTube will show more people this video. It only takes 2 seconds out of your day and it helps me out so much. Also, if you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Now, enough of me wasting your time, and let's get straight into today's video.
Till the lights go down, down, down. Till the lights go down, down, down. I've been feeling alright. I've been taking.
Okay, so today, guys, I will be showing you how to get any paid game on the App Store and Google Play completely free. It only takes a few steps and you can get your favorite games without even opening your wallet. It's easy, no virus, you get access to every feature as if you paid for the game, and best of all, you can do this with any game, risk-free. So let's not waste any more time and get right into today's video. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go to Settings, go to General, go down to Privacy, and then this is really important, you have to allow unknown sources. It looks really shady, but trust me, you have to do this. Alright guys, so next you guys want to do is you guys want to go to Google, then you want to type in exactly how I type it in, Aptoide. Select the first link. Alright guys, so once this page opens up, you should see this on your screen. Now, there's a button that says Install Aptoide, just hit that. Alright, boom, so we have that. So we're gonna go ahead and proceed to install Aptoide. Alright guys, once Aptoide is installed, you can go ahead and click on it. Alright guys, so once you open up the application itself, you guys should see this screen that I have right here. Is basically like a Google Play / App Store 2.0. So basically what you guys can do from here is look up any game that you want and it'll be completely free of charge. Paid games included, obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few examples on screen. So as you guys can see, Minecraft has over 300 million downloads from this application, so that shows that it's pretty legit. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas has over 40 million downloads also from this application. Terraria has over 1 million downloads, but you guys have to be careful because they also have the trial version available, and you guys might accidentally click on this one because it has more downloads, but as you guys can see, it says this is a trial version of Terraria, so make sure to read the description before you just go ahead and download the game. As you guys can see, Hitman Sniper has 1 million downloads. Bully Anniversary Edition has 3 million downloads as well. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like. Let's aim for 20 likes on today's video. And if you are new around here, if you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any future uploads. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for taking your time out of your day to come over to the channel and tune in. I really appreciate you guys. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, and peace out.